Hi friends, welcome back to another exciting edition of our math lesson videos. We're going to get started with some fluency, and fluency is basically just a teacher word that means getting really fast, doing something without much thinking. We're going to do some of the counting exercises that we did yesterday, and then we're going to name some team numbers. Let's get started. Let's get our fingers ready and do some fluency. You ready? Let's count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here we go. Do it again. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Then this week it's all about the tricky teens, and then on maybe Wednesday or Thursday we're going to start talking about numbers over 20. Okay. Let's do our push exercises. Here's how it works. Okay, we're going to count up to 10, and then we're going to push 10 out and continue counting. Some of my friends might remember this from a long time ago when we were doing push 10 exercises. You ready? It's been a long time. Here we go. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. We're going to push 10 and continue counting. Ready? 10, 1, 11. Ready? 10, 2, 12. 10, 3, 13. 10, 4, 14, 10, 5, 15, 10, 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19, and 10, 10, 20. All right, friends, let's try our push exercise with our rack and rec now. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you ready? Let's continue counting. 10, 1, 11. 10, 2, 12. 10, 3, 13. 10, 4, 14. 10, 5, 15, 10, 6, 16, 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, 10, 9, 19, and 10, 10 is 20. Great job, friends. All right, friends, let's practice naming some team numbers, okay? If you find yourself struggling trying to think of their names really quickly, or you don't recognize any of them, it would be a good idea to make some flashcards, okay? You ready? 12, 18, just call them out, friends. 11, 14, 19, 17, 13, 16, 15. Great job, friends. Okay, today we are continuing to recognize that a team number is made up of one 10 group, we call a 10, and some ones, okay? So this is what we were talking about on yesterday. Let's kind of review. So I see 10 here, and then I see some ones. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So I can see that I have 1 10 and 7 ones. If I wanted to write that as a team number, I start with the 10, 1 10, and then I write how many ones. 1 and 7 is 17. 1 10 and 7 ones is 17. We're going to look at team numbers just a little differently today, but remember that team numbers are made up of 1 10 and some ones, okay? So our goal is to know that team numbers are 10 and some ones, and to write an addition sentence about team numbers, okay? Here we go. Let's review a little bit about tens and ones, though. Can we write the team number for this 10 frame in some ones? All right, friends, I see a 10 frame here, and I see some ones here. And I know that it's the top row of another 10 frame, so it's 5. So 1 10 and 5 ones, friends, what is that? 15. Good job. Let's continue. All right. How many 10s do you see? How many ones do you see? I see 1 10 and 1 1. That's 1 10, 1 1. That's what, friends? 11. Good job. Let's continue. How many 10s and how many ones do you see? I see 1 10 and 1 2 3 ones. What number is that, friends? 1 10, 3 ones. That's 13. Say 13, friends. Great job. All right, friends. How many 10s? How many ones? I see 1 10. I see 5 6 ones. 1 10, 6 ones. What number is that? 16. Great job. All right, friends. How many 10s? How many ones? 1 10. 5 6 7 8 9. 1 10, 9 ones. What team number is that, friends? 19. Very good. All right, and that brings us to today's lesson. Now remember, team numbers are 1 10 and some ones, okay? And to write the team numbers, we start with the 10 and then we write how many ones. So if I look at this number bond, I see that one of the parts is 10, friends. Do you see that? Here's the 10. And then where's the 1? Right here. So if I wanted to write the team number, I start with how many 10s and then write how many ones. So 1 10 and 2 ones. That's 12. If I wanted to write an addition sentence, first I write the parts. Remember, friends, the plus sign is for parts, the equal sign is for the whole. So what are my parts in my 10 frame or in my number bond? Sorry, friends, number bond. I have a 10 frame in one of the parts, and I have 2 in one of the parts. And 10 and 2 together is 12. So my number sentence would read 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay? All right. You know what time it is. Get out some paper and pencil. Pause this video if you need to go get it. It's time for you to try it. Okay? Pause this video. Write a 10 frame or write I keep saying 10 frame. Write a number bond about what you see on the screen. Try to find the team number as the whole and then write a number sentence using the parts and then the whole. Remember, plus sign is for parts, equal sign is for whole. So go ahead and pause, work these out, and then press play and we'll check your work. All right, I hope you pause that video and work these out. Friends, this would be a great time for you to submit your You Try It by Class Dojo to your teacher or to me. And those are for friends who cannot get on Nearpod. So if you can't get on Nearpod, use this as your work. If you can get on Nearpod, just wait till a little bit later in the video and I'll show you what to do, okay? Anyways, let's check your work. So I have 10, 1, 10, and how many ones do I have in this number bun? I count 7, 5, 6, 7. So 10 and 7 is 17. Let's write a number sentence about it. One part is 10. The other part is 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. Let's go to the next one. I have 1 10 in one of the parts of my number bun. And I have 4 in the other part. 10 and 4 is 14. You ready, friends? Let's write a number bun. Or let's write a number sentence. Whew! Getting my words mixed up today, friends. All right. My two parts are 10 and 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay. Let's try some more. Go ahead, pause this video, work these two out, and then press play to check your work. All right, let's check your work. Hopefully you paused. You ready? So I see 10 in this part. That's 1 10. And I see 1 in the other part. 1 10 and 1 1 is 11, friends. Let's write a number sentence. My parts are 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Let's look at our next number bun. I have 10 in one part. Let's count how many I have in the other part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 10 and 8 is 18, friends. Let's write a number sentence. My parts are 10 plus 8. And when they come together, that makes 18. Okay, today's code for Nearpod is WQYDR. So if you're using the Nearpod app, type in WQYDR and you'll be able to access a lesson. If you are coming from the Kinderline site, just click the link. You'll go straight to lesson. You don't need this code. Type your name and you can get started. All right, friends, we were working with number bun today and writing number sentences for teen numbers. So remember, teen numbers are 10 and some ones. That's what that 1 means in front of the teen number. It means 1 10. And the other number means how many ones are left over. Okay? So you're going to use the 10 frames to finish your number bun and write a number sentence to match. So if I push up these directions by clicking that blue box, if you want me to read them to you, just press that blue play button in the white box. But you push those up and you'll be able to see our 2 10 frames here. So friends, how many 10s? Oops. 1 10. And how many ones? 3. Sorry. So we have 10 and 3 are our parts, right? So let's write our number sentence. I'm going to write above. I'll write yes. Anyways, watch. I'm afraid I'm going to push that preview button. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. And you can write that teen number on the line. My preview button is in the way, and if I push it, it'll go to the next slide. But you get the gist. We did this on our chart and together when you pause the video. So you're going to work through those number bonds. Okay? Just write the 10 and then how many ones. And then on the last slide, if you push this up, these are numbers in order from 1 up to 20, but some of them are missing. Friends, you have to write in the missing numbers. The best way to do that is start with 1 and count up to 20 and write the numbers as you go. So I have 1. The next number is 2, 3. What comes next? 4, and so on, all the way up to 20. You're going to write the missing numbers in, okay?